Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and this is what you can expect this week or this upcoming week on the Sibongile and the Dlaminis season 2. On Monday the 5th of August 2024, Jabu pays the Mbambos a visit and gives Ubabu Vuma with a co-starter while Deliwe influences Velapi to go for Jabu. Sibongile finds herself stranded at the beach and Kwenzo comes to her rescue. Temba Q struggles to fit into the perfect Dlamini family picture. Tuesday, the 6th of August 2024, Unomalanga learns that Sibongile is working at Gen X while Kwenzo meets Jabu for the first time. Sibongile confides in Zama about Kwenzo. The helpers react to Nomfundo's news that they've just discovered. Wednesday, 7th August 2024, Wenzo calls Sibongile to tell her that her purse has been found, while Cleaner advises Nomalanga to follow Wenzo after she becomes suspicious of his movements. Jengaye wants Vusi to tell Peteni the truth about how he became a CEO. Well, guys, that is your teasers for the week for Sibongile and the Dlamini season 2. You can tell it's gonna be a drama-packed week and I can't wait. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.